Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me today for Jenny's Countdown to Christmas and day 24. Yay! All right, let's open up day 24's item. There we go. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. All right, oh, before I pull this out, people were saying a quilt planner. Some were just saying a regular planner. Somebody said a bundle of patterns. I thought that was a good idea too. And I think that's what it is. There are, oh my goodness, okay. There are 4 quilt blocks here, 4 patterns. And I think they're the same ones that are on the bowls that we got. I don't know where I put those. Well, I do know they are the same that are on these mugs. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. I'm not going to do these. It's Christmas Eve and there's no way I'm going to do them. And this is one of those rare occasions when I'm actually recording this video on the day of. So I am up really early recording this on Christmas Eve. It's actual day. There's no way I'm gonna get these done, you guys. I would love to, but I'm swamped today and tomorrow. And yeah, but that's really a great item because these are all blocks that we're familiar with because of the mugs. By the way, I found the red one from, I think 2 years ago. This might've been last year. And then back here, I have this one. A few people reached out to me wanting to send me this one. That was so sweet of everybody, and I haven't responded to all of the emails and comments about it, but I did find it. It was up on a shelf. Everyone's so sweet and wonderful. That is the kindest thing ever. But I do have the 3 mugs. Now I have 4 of the patterns, and I'm sure one of them is, what do we have? We have this one. This one. This must be next year's mug, right? We could use process of elimination. It could be. I don't know. That's the only one I don't have on a mug. Very cute. These are great patterns. Love it. So yesterday's item was the mug. That was easy to find out because there's one on Missouri Star Quilt Company's website. I think it was either last year or 2 years ago. It's up for $15 for the regular price. I know it goes on sale, but I'm going to say $15 for it. That brings our running total to $372.50, and that is an overage of $181.75. I can't even believe it. Yay! This is so great. So these patterns, I'll probably put at $10 a piece. That's usually what I do patterns. So, I mean, we're really, really over. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. Oh, this is great. What a nice idea. What a nice gift. I wish I could do these, but it's not going to happen. All right, let's guess for tomorrow. And this is the last day of it. But that's okay, because I have other videos coming, and I also have a wrap-up video that I'll be posting. So you'll get to see that too, where I talk about how much of the stuff was consumable, how much was branding, all of those details. So expect that. After, like, probably either the 26th or 27th, I'll do that video just to give you an idea of all the overview. You can always check my blog too. I keep a running total of all this stuff. So let me grab day 25. Okay, I'm gonna lift it up. Warning, warning, warning. Here we go. Here it is. It's a big one. It's kind of heavy. I don't think it's breakable. Doesn't feel like styrofoam in there. It's a little squishy. I don't know what that is, but I can't wait to find out. I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas Eve. If you do celebrate, if you don't, I just hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. And if you are alone during this time, I'm thinking of you, praying for you, hoping that you just have a good day. I know it can be so hard for a lot of people. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.